皆さんこんばんは。Junya Tomoshimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So lesson 21 na po tayo. Ang topic natin for tonight is how to use nakereba narimasen. それでは始めていきましょう。Okay, so nakereba narimasen is obligation, rules, and necessity, something that is required. Palagi itong ginagamit sa requirements, Minna. Kapag ikaw ay mag-abroad, sa rules, sa office, sa company, sa school. Okay, meaning niya is must, have to, or need to do something. Okay, example, at school, before the class, you must enter the classroom. Ang rules dito sa school is you must enter the classroom bago mag-class. Gakko de wa jugyo ga hajimaru mai ni so haira nai. Okay, so haira na, kinuha natin to sa hayranai. Nanay form ni hayrimasen. Hayra na, inumit mo lang yung I, then put kereba narimasen. So hayra na kereba narimasen. Okay, next example, when entering the factory, you must always wear a helmet. So required ka na mag-helmet or rules nila yon minasang. So kojo ni hayri toki hermeto kaburanai. So inumit natin yung I minasang kabura na, then put kereba narimasen. Kabura na kereba narimasen. Okay, so next natin, nakutemoi. So kabaliktaran naman to ni nakereba narimasen. Nakereba narimasen is kinakailangan. Si nakutemoi is you don't need, hindi mo kailangan. Okay, there's no or removes obligation. Samantalang kasi si nakereba narimasen, may obligasyon ka doon na kailangan mo talagang gawin. Okay, so si nakereba narimasen is polite. Okay, so you don't have to, not necessary. Okay, so because today is a holiday, you don't have to wake up early. Hindi mo kailangan, no? Na gumising pa ng maaga. Kyo wa yasumi desu kara hayaku okinai. So okinai ito, meron ditong I. Inumit mo lang yung I, then naging okinaku mo i. Next example, tomorrow's meeting will be online, so you don't have to come to the office. So, 明日の会議はオンラインですから、事務所に来ません。Kaso casual ni kimasen is konai. Inimit mo yung I, then naging kona, then put kutemo ides. So, kona kutemo ides. You don't have to. Okay, so next natin, madeni. Okay, si madeni naman focuses on the deadline, minna. So, ang meaning ni madeni is pwede siyang by or pwede siyang before. The action can be done anytime before, but not after. So, kailangan bago. Bago mag 10 o'clock, bago mag Friday, bago mag Wednesday. The action must be completed before or at that time. So, bago dumating yung oras na yon, kailangan tapos na. Ayan, completed before that time. Okay, so time, date, deadline plus madeni. Example, please return this book to the library by Friday. So, hindi sinabi ritong hanggang Friday. So, kasi pag sabi mong hanggang Friday, hindi na dapat madeni. Dapat made na lang. Okay, so dito by Friday, it means wag mo nang paabuti ng Friday. Pwede mo siyang isuole before Friday. Kinyobi madeni. Lagay mo yung madeni sa kinyobi. Kinyobi madeni, hono-hono toshokan ni kaisa nakereba narimasen. And last, you must buy the train ticket by 10 o'clock or before 10 o'clock, bago mag 10 o'clock. So, juji madeni, densha no kippo kawa nakereba narimasen. So, dito sa clock minaw, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng maeni. Okay, so ang pwede mong gamitin dito ay si madeni. Before 10 o'clock or by 10 o'clock. 終わりましたみんな。そうじゃ、またね。